Hello guys and welcome back. I'm still working on the clutch. As you saw, I just gave it a bit of a deep clean in the dishwasher, so it's looking a lot nicer now. And what I've just done is dig out and scrape out all that old gasket cement as well that was smeared here on the inside of the splines, just to try and give it more of a seal for the oil coming through. What we found, there was oil coming through, and wetting these shoes as well. So that's the next job. So I've done this. Next I'm just going to go and take a look at the shoes and see if I can maybe give them a little file down as well. There's a couple of rough edges as well I'd like to take a look at, maybe chamfer the edges a little bit more. And then I've got some parts on order as well from Coventry that I hope will help with the action of the clutch, and specifically I've ordered a new set of springs and a new push rod set as well, so we'll see what that looks like. The next job is to look at these plates. We've got a little bit of uneven wear on some of these plates, and so I've got a flat surface. It's just an old tile. I'm going to try and get some glass as well for the final finishing touches, but just for now, just to rub these down on this sandpaper, wet and dry, just to see if I can get rid of some of these grooves. There's some scratches in these plates, and then same with this as well, just kind of bring some of the rougher surface back on this. Well, good news, the parts have arrived from Coventry Spares, and so I've got a new set of springs here. These are the old springs on the right, and there's quite a difference actually in the height. I'm assuming that these have just simply worn down over time, or possibly these are a different dimension. And then a push rod set. It's a two-piece push rod set, silver steel with a roller bearing in the middle. And so the other push rod set that I put in, I'm not sure if that was going to work, but we'll just try with a new set and start over again. And then a set of screws here for the retaining ring. These are 1 inch long versus 7/8 of an inch long. Some of the heads were getting a little damaged, and so this is a new set. I also ran one of the screws down a few of these screw holes, and they fit just fine, so they won't be bottoming out. And then the plates are all cleaned up as well. The bonded plate came up well. These plates look great, so we are ready to reinstall. I don't know how I'm going to get that out, but we'll see. Well, as you can see, there are a couple that are bottoming out here. So I'm just going to replace those with the old 7/8 screws instead. Well, that's the clutch adjusted now. I'm not going to show that on this video, but perhaps another video on clutch adjustment. I've made a couple of observations that I think I might need to ask for your help with, but for now, I'm just going to take it for another test ride.